Is it rolling or walking down the street?
Roll.
Can we do it really quick, please?
Gotta make sure I
Rolling down the street.
Smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. You know, gin and juice goes way back.
Hey, my old ass was playing it on a CD at the car.
So I was walking by and I literally saw Gin and Juice by Dre and Snoop.
We're out here representing Dre and Snoop the best way we know how with these amazing drinks to all you beautiful people in Miami.
So tell us what's behind the Gin and Juice.
We want to make drinks that are light, crisp, you can sip on all day, out on the boat, out on the beach, just chill, do your thing. Apricot, I got melon, I got some passion fruit. It's got that beautiful ginger pineapple in there, just stellar flavors. And then my personal favorite, you go for the citrus. It is light, it is clean, a little bit of white grapefruit, touch of rose. Everything about that, sexy as hell, right? It pops. Our branding, as you can see, we partner with Dre and Snoop. It's not a brand licensing deal. These gentlemen have been actively involved at every step of the way. They own it. Something here real quick. That was one of the most iconic things you could have had back then. So this is the 30th anniversary of that song. But when you saw that on the CD, that's what you wanted. You had the clean one. Ain't nobody picking up the clean one. And we owe that to these men right here, no doubt.